Hey there, future CEOs and business moguls, ready to dive into the thrilling world of business management? Ever feel like you're trekking through a dense jungle trying to lead your company to success? It's like navigating through uncharted territory, isn't it? That's the managerial environment in a nutshell. It's a place where every decision counts, and every move can lead to new opportunities or unexpected challenges. It's wild, unpredictable, and full of surprises. Just when you think you've got it all figured out, something new comes along to shake things up. Think of it as a giant ecosystem. Every part of your business, from the smallest task to the biggest project, plays a role in the overall health and success of your company. You've got your internal environment, which is like your own little camp. It's where your team works together, shares ideas, and builds the foundation for success. Then, there's the external environment. That vast, untamed wilderness out there. It's full of competitors, market trends, and economic shifts that you need to navigate. Understanding both is crucial for survival, let alone success. You need to be aware of what's happening inside your company and out in the market to make informed decisions. Why? Because it helps you make smart decisions, adapt to change, and conquer those business goals like the rock star you are. So buckle up, Buttercup. It's going to be a wild ride. We're about to embark on a crash course through the exciting world of principles of management. We'll explore strategies, tools, and techniques that will help you navigate the business landscape with confidence. Get ready to channel your inner Leslie Knope. We're going full-on Parks and Rec on this business. With the right mindset and skills, you'll be ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. First stop, our home turf, the internal environment. This is where you set the vibe, define the hierarchy, and gather your arsenal. Organizational culture is like your company's personality. Is it fun and funky like Google, or more buttoned up like a law firm? This vibe influences everything from employee morale to customer perception. Next up, organizational structure. This is how you organize your team. Think departments, reporting lines, and who answers to whom. A well-defined structure keeps things running smoothly, like a well-oiled machine or a well-organized binder, for all you Mindies out there. Finally, resources. These are your tools for success. Money, technology, and most importantly, your people. They are the Beyoncé to your Destiny's Child, the peanut butter to your jelly. Now, let's step outside our cozy camp and into the wilderness of the external environment. It's a vast, unpredictable place where anything can happen. This is where things get really interesting and a little scary. The external environment is full of surprises and challenges. Remember that giant ecosystem we talked about? Well, it's teeming with factors that can make or break your business. It's like a living organism, constantly changing and evolving. Economic conditions like a recession or a boom can directly impact your bottom line. A booming economy can mean more opportunities, while a recession can force you to tighten your belt. Then there's the political landscape, with government regulations and policies that can change the game overnight. A new law or regulation can open doors or slam them shut. And let's not forget the legal system, with its contracts, intellectual property rights, and occasional lawsuits. Yikes! Navigating this can be like walking through a minefield. But wait, there's more. Social trends, cultural values, and technological advancements can also shake things up. What's trending today might be obsolete tomorrow. Remember when everyone thought pagers were cool? Yeah, neither do I. Technology moves fast, and businesses need to keep up or risk being left behind. The point is, staying informed is key to staying ahead of the curve. Keeping an eye on these external factors can help you anticipate changes and adapt quickly. So, always be prepared to pivot and adjust your strategies. The external environment is dynamic, and your business needs to be just as agile. Embrace the challenges and opportunities that come your way. After all, it's what makes the business world so exciting and rewarding. Let's be real. Every business has competition. Think of it like a game of chess, where you need to anticipate your opponent's moves and strategize accordingly. That's where industry analysis comes in. This is where you study your industry like it's your favorite rom-com, analyzing competitors, market size, and trends. The goal? To find your unique selling proposition, your USP, because everyone loves a good acronym. What makes you stand out from the crowd? What can you offer that no one else can? Section 5, Going global passports, please. Remember that wilderness we talked about? Well, it's not confined to national borders anymore. Welcome to the global environment, where businesses operate on an international scale. Exciting, right? Globalization has opened up a world of opportunities. You can access new markets, tap into diverse talent pools, and expand your brand's reach like never before. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. You also need to navigate cultural differences, language barriers, and logistical challenges. That's where cross-cultural management comes in. It's about understanding and respecting different cultures, adapting your communication style, and building strong relationships across borders. It's like being a cultural chameleon, blending in while still staying true to your brand. Section 6. Friends in high places. Knowing your stakeholders. In the business world, it's not just about you and your customers. There's a whole cast of characters who have a vested interest in your company's success or failure. We're talking about stakeholders. Who are these mysterious stakeholders? They're your investors, employees, suppliers, customers, the community, and even the environment. Each stakeholder group has different needs and expectations. Investors want to see a return on their investment. Employees want fair wages and good working conditions. The community wants you to be a responsible corporate citizen. Stakeholder engagement is all about building strong relationships with these key players. It's about communicating transparently, listening to their concerns, and finding ways to create win-win situations. After all, a happy stakeholder is a valuable asset. Section 7. Being good, like really good. Ethics and social responsibility. Remember when Regina George wore sweatpants on Monday and everyone lost their minds? That's because, like it or not, people judge. And guess what? They judge businesses too, especially when it comes to ethics and social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility, or CSR, is all about doing good while doing well. It's about giving back to the community, minimizing your environmental impact, treating your employees fairly, and operating ethically in all your business dealings. Ethical decision-making is crucial here. It's about doing the right thing, even when it's hard, even when no one is watching. It's about building a company with integrity, one that you can be proud of, one that would make even the most skeptical side-eye admirer nod in approval. Section 8. Mastering the managerial matrix, it's all connected. In this section, we delve into the intricate web that forms the backbone of effective management. It's a complex yet fascinating journey that reveals how every element within an organization is interlinked. So, there you have it. We've taken a deep dive into the multifaceted world of management, exploring the various components that make up the managerial environment. We've explored the wild and wonderful world of the managerial environment, from the bustling office spaces filled with diverse teams working in harmony to the towering skylines of business districts that symbolize ambition and growth. From the cozy confines of our internal environment, where every decision and action shapes the culture and dynamics of the workplace, to the vast expanse of the global marketplace. We've talked about culture, structure, resources, and how these elements interact on a global scale, influencing international trade and business strategies. The economy, politics, competition, globalization, stakeholders, ethics, and social responsibility all play crucial roles. Each factor, whether it's a political shift or a new competitor, can have a ripple effect across the entire organization. Whew, that's a lot to process. It can feel overwhelming, like trying to juggle a dozen balls at once. But understanding these elements is key to mastering the managerial matrix. But here's the thing, it's all connected. Just like gears in a machine, each part of the managerial environment works in tandem with the others, creating a cohesive and efficient system. Understanding these factors helps you make informed decisions, adapt to change, and lead your company to success. It's about being proactive, anticipating challenges, and turning them into opportunities, and lead your company to success. Celebrating victories, no matter how small, and building a culture of resilience and adaptability. It's about seeing the big picture, understanding how each decision impacts the broader landscape, and positioning your organization for long-term success. Understanding the interconnectedness of it all, and making choices that benefit not just your bottom line, but also your employees, your community, and the world around you. And making choices that benefit not just your bottom line, but also your employees, your community, and the world around you. It's about creating a sustainable and ethical business model that stands the test of time and the world around you. So go forth, future business leaders. Embrace the challenge, navigate the complexities, be the change you wish to see in the business world. So go forth, future business leaders. Embrace the challenge, navigate the complexities, lead with integrity and vision. And remember, in the words of the great Liz Lemon, I believe that all of us, you, me, and even those jerks from The Real Housewives of Miami, were put on this planet to do something meaningful. And even those jerks from The Real Housewives of Miami have a role to play in this grand tapestry of life. We were put on this planet to do something, to contribute, to innovate, to inspire. And even if that something is as simple as putting on a good pair of slacks and showing up with a positive attitude and making this world a more pleasant place, then by God, we better get to it. Because every small action contributes to the larger picture. Then by God, we better get to it. Let's make a difference one step at a time and create a legacy we can be proud of.